Jamaica, when the people vote, that decision must mean something. But tonight, the question goes deeper. Can someone who lost an election and whose eligibility is being questioned still move like an elected MP? Because what we are seeing now is raising serious constitutional and democratic concerns. This is Michy's commentary. Truth, accountability, no fear. Like, share, and subscribe. The Parliamentary Opposition, led by Phillip Paulwell, has raised serious and ongoing concerns about what they describe as a pattern of conduct by the government that undermines Jamaica's democratic process. At the center of this issue is Michelle Charles, a former MP who was rejected by voters in the September 3, 2025 general elections. Then, on January 9, 2026, Michelle Charles, now a private citizen, participated in an official tour of Princess Margaret Hospital alongside Krystal Lee. The duly elected MP for Eastern St. Thomas was neither informed nor invited. That alone raises red flags. Protocol and authority.
Today, we had the pleasure of welcoming the Honorable Krystal Lee, our State Minister in the Ministry of Health and Wellness, right here in St. Thomas Eastern. She took a tour of the Princess Margaret Hospital and our teen hub, and we were super excited to have her here in our parish and look forward to working together to keep our community healthy and thriving.
The opposition argues that Ms. Charles holds no public office. She has no authority to conduct or participate in official government business. Her presence falsely projects an official capacity, and this disrespects the will of the people who voted her out. In other words, Jamaica, if you lose proven by the ballot box, you step aside.
The growing pattern of conduct by the government that undermines Jamaica's democratic process, where individuals rejected by voters in the September 3, 2025 general elections are being facilitated to participate in activities that properly belong to elected members of parliament. The latest incident occurred on January 9, 2026, when former MP Michelle Charles, now a private citizen, participated in an official tour of the Princess Margaret Hospital in St. Thomas, alongside State Minister Krystal Lee. The duly elected Member of Parliament for Eastern St. Thomas, Roshaw, was neither informed of nor invited to the visit.
Now, Jamaica, this is where the issue gets even more serious. Critics are also questioning whether Michelle Charles collected millions of dollars in salary and benefits paid by Jamaican taxpayers while serving as an MP, and whether she was constitutionally eligible to run for office in the first place. According to those raising the issue, Jamaica's constitution places restrictions on foreign allegiance in citizenship for members of parliament. So the public is asking, if someone is a U.S. citizen, do they have the legal right to sit in Jamaica's parliament? And if not, should any salary paid during that period be questioned or reviewed? These are constitutional questions, not personal insults. Back home in Florida. Adding to the controversy, Jamaicans are pointing to Ms. Charles's own social media post where she stated she was back home in Orlando, referring to her house needing TLC. So the public is now asking, if Florida is home, why is she still being facilitated to appear in Jamaica's official state business? And who approved this continued involvement? The opposition has made it clear this matter will be formally raised in Parliament. Accountability will be demanded, and the government will be required to explain who authorized this breach of protocol, because democracy is not optional, and elections must have consequences. Jamaica, democracy only survives when rules apply to everyone, not just friends of power. Respect the Constitution, respect the vote, respect the people. This is Michy's commentary. Walk good, Jamaica. Stay alert.